Guys, let's talk about the adult marketing industry. This is one of the most underground industries, guys, like out there. And it's something no one wants to talk about, but can make you insane money. Like I make six figures per month just from adult marketing. I make six figures per month just from other stuff. This is like one of the easiest things I do out of all the things I do. Adult marketing is super cheap traffic, okay? Like it costs hardly anything. There's endless amounts of it out there, okay? There's just so much opportunity. It's insane. It's like the third biggest traffic source in the world. Google and YouTube are the first two. Basically, it's not strict at all. If you've ever ran Facebook ads before or any other ad platform, they can be very strict. You can run anything you want with adult. You can literally promote anything, okay? They have a couple restrictions that are obvious, like you can't sell drugs on adult platforms or whatever. You can't sell guns or whatever on these platforms. The other advantage to adult traffic is, okay, like there's so much volume, it's so cheap, there's like no restrictions, and there's like no competition. No competition at all, really. Okay, like I would say hardly anyone is doing like actual paid ads on adult sites. Like that's why it's so cheap. That's one of the main reasons, because so many advertisers are on Facebook and Google platforms, which are called high quality traffic sources because they are. These people are less distracted. Adult traffic is so cheap, but you get so much of it. It's like crazy, okay? You can literally blow up a product super quick, like with adult traffic. It's ridiculous, okay? Basically, if you look at it, it is the coldest traffic on the planet, okay? What that means is like the people are very less likely to do certain things, but you gotta know what actually converts, okay? I talk about this like crazy inside the Adult Secrets whole entire program. I talk about what converts, how to do it, everything, okay? But like there are secrets to this world and most people will never even know what they are. There are secrets to making money, okay? There's secrets to making money online. There are truly like top secret stuff out there and it's ridiculous. And what are the cool like actual tactical things you could do right now that can make you money in adult is, and this comes down to what you want to do though, okay? Because there's a lot of angles to go about this. But anyway, if you want to know what works with ads alone, just ads on adult sites, you can get this tool. I actually bought the tool and I sell it at a super discount, okay? And I'm not trying to sell you guys stuff like crazy in here or whatever. I'm just mentioning different things. It's called a spy tool, an adult spy tool. You could spy on literally what's working, what's getting the most traffic right now, what's been running the longest, okay, with traffic and paid ads on adult sites. Like it's crazy, okay? It's called Adplexity Adult, but I actually have it also. You can click it. It's inside this Gumroad profile. It's a discounted adult spy tool, I called it, okay? And you can get it way cheaper than if you got it just yourself, okay? Like you can get it way cheaper and save money and go inside and just look at what's working right now, and you want to model that success. You want to copy that success, okay? And you can see very similar results. You want to sign up for a platform called Crack Revenue, or you can sign up for other platforms. If you want to build an OnlyFans and start marketing your OnlyFans, you could do that with adult traffic. It's that powerful, okay? But there are secrets to how to market correctly. Like you should have something high ticket in your back end, like something for maybe, let's just say 100 to 1,000, okay? Because adult traffic's so cheap, you could do $100 and consider that high ticket. So you want something else you sell on the back end. You could do OnlyFans, and yes, they have in-app purchases, okay, inside the members area where people can buy more high ticket stuff or more stuff. And you can just start running traffic like crazy. And I know how to do that like a pro. Literally, adult traffic's one of my master skills. Like hardly anyone in this entire YouTube space, Instagram space, even talks about adult marketing. I'm like the only one because it's just one of those things I know can change people's lives drastically. But anyway, you can look up more CPA platforms that have adult offers on them. Like I'm telling you, Crack Revenue is the biggest. They've got like tons of adult offers, but you can also sign up for just specific platforms like just Chatterbait or just like these cam offers sites, okay? You can even sign up for, what's it called? Fleshlight. You can sign up for Fleshlight affiliate programs. Then there's these things called like sex dolls and whatever. It's weird, I know, but they're a high ticket thing you can sell people, and that's a very high ticket angle you can go in adult marketing. It's very powerful, guys. literally. So basically you get a commission, a couple $100 for each sale you get. And it could just be the back end of whatever you sell on the front end of your business, okay? You want to have something low ticket, something mid ticket, something high ticket. That way you get people to buy everything. A percentage will always buy whatever you sell, guys, literally, okay? So I love this, so powerful. And when it comes down to your marketing in adult traffic, you want to have trust built. You want to associate your products to authorities or celebrities and stuff like that who are endorsing the product you're promoting. So if you're doing your own product, you need to be an authority, or you can associate yourself to an authority and your product to an authority. Or what you can do is you just want to keep everything super simple, okay? Like super, super simple because people can get confused. But you want to build trust and likability. You could do that through being an expert at the thing, being excited about the thing, obviously. You want to make like landing pages that are just simple, to the point, emotionally sell people. Don't just logically sell people. Like people are very emotional on adult sites. Like this is where you're getting traffic from. These people are aroused, okay? So you really should promote adult offers or dating offers, but you can also promote stuff like how to make money, or stuff like like health stuff. You could sell supplements. You could promote your Amazon product for all I care. You could sell a book, okay? Like it's all about a no-brainer for the person seeing the ad and buying through it. You need to name a no-brainer price. You should have upsells, okay? So if you want to use ClickFunnels, use ClickFunnels. I highly recommend ClickFunnels, bro, all the way. ClickFunnels is great. I use ClickFunnels for like everything other than some stuff on my personal brand side of things. But for all my marketing stuff, man, with tripwires, with opt-in funnels, and even just simple landing pages, I use ClickFunnels, okay? ClickFunnels is a great platform. Now, you don't want to have any nudity on your ClickFunnels account, though. I've heard of people getting banned from ClickFunnels for having like nudity because they're running with adult or whatever. So you want to make a new account. If you do have that issue, you can easily restart. But do images that are not nudity, okay? And you can, once again, promote like offers that are totally outside of the industry of like adult stuff. Adult stuff is more congruent with the traffic source though, so just remember that. You can promote sweepstake offers where people like submit their email and you get paid like $2 and $3 per email submit that people give, plus a little bit more information like their name and their number and stuff like that, okay? And you can make money doing that. Let me see if I want to mention anything else here. I talk about everything like crazy in depth and how to really make crazy money with adult marketing in the Adult Marketing Secrets program. It's ridiculous, guys. So I highly recommend hop inside of that thing, and like that'll change your life like drastically, because this is like one of those opportunities where it's like a low input for high output, okay? Like the results are super duper high with adult marketing because there's no competition. There's tons of flipping traffic out there, tons of traffic. And like there's no restrictions and the traffic's so cheap, okay? Like those are 4 huge reasons to hop in on the opportunity of adult marketing, okay? You can go learn it yourself and everything. You can go model campaigns, or you can literally cut the learning curve and learn exactly, guys, how I'm crushing it. And I will be increasing the price for the Adult Marketing Secrets program very soon. And then the other thing is I also have the Adult Marketing Secrets inside the Master Bundle with all my other programs. So it's like all bundled together. The only thing not inside the Master Bundle is just the mentorship. The mentorship's just its own like entity, okay? It's like super powerful. If you want to get mentorship, it's mentorship for life, plus powerful training inside that is high level stuff that you'll never learn anywhere else, okay? It took me years to learn this. I'm always updating to everything I'm selling here, all my programs and stuff, but the mentorship's always being updated. Heck yeah, guys, hop in that. And if I were to tell you one more thing is like, pick a super hot offer, okay? Super hot offer. I mean like, it needs to be converting like wildfire. And there's ways to find this out. You can talk to an affiliate manager about what's like selling the best, what's a hot offer. Also, these platforms will tell you right off the bat, it's just on the dashboard pages, what is the hottest offer out there on the platform. And then you can also sort by EPC, earnings per click, and see what is earning the highest per click, okay? Click, 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 okay? And then you can literally just like promote those offers, okay? But then you need a lot of flipping traffic, and getting traffic's the easiest part, and finding a hot offer is super easy too. And guess what? Hot offer plus a lot of traffic equals money, 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 okay? So literally that's like the formula, but there's so much stuff going on in between that. and like picking the right stuff, making the right decisions. You could click the wrong button and mess up a whole campaign if you do paid ads. But I want to mention one more thing before we close off. If you want to get into OnlyFans and you're female or something like that, I will have a program for that, specifically how you can crush it with OnlyFans and market your OnlyFans and just blow up quick, if that's the route you want to go to make money. Because if you're a female, mainly the viewers are obviously males who are watching females, but yes, females are on adult sites, but a lot of times females are creators on adult sites, okay? If you are a female creator and you want to do it or whatever, you want to basically make content, okay, like nudity content or whatever, sexual content, adult content, and you could crush it. Like, males could, but most people don't want to see a male. I'm just saying. But anyway, the thing is, if you're a female, you can crush it with affiliate marketing, building content, doing the correct marketing strategies to push people to crazy affiliate offers and your own stuff and OnlyFans. The thing about all these girls out there that do stuff in the adult industry, they know nothing about marketing, but they're making content. Now, if they knew how to monetize their following, they could be millionaires overnight. It's actually ridiculous. It's crazy, okay? If you are male and or female who doesn't want to do content creation, which is, nudity stuff, like, stuff that, controversial, whatever. Some people think you shouldn't. Some people think it's whatever. I don't judge anything. At the end of the day, if you're male or female that don't want to do content on adult sites, you can run paid ads, okay? And like I said, it's super cheap and you can get tons of flipping traffic, okay? No competition, and sell whatever you want, okay? You only need to win once. And that's so easy to do with adult marketing. And it's crazy, I'm like telling this stuff for free, but it's like I'm building awareness for you guys and letting you know, like, you crush it. You can make millions of dollars in the adult industry, okay? Tons of traffic. It's never ending. So when you have hot offer, it's like you win. And when you could spend the most to acquire traffic, that's the main secret. And I cover that inside the Adult Secrets program. So basically, guys, I know this gave you tons of value about adult marketing and opened your eyes to the power of it. I will see you guys inside the Adult Secrets program. Peace out. Have a wonderful day. And peace out, Learn Machines.